little, you know,
learning curve.
Enlightenment.
Yeah.
Okay, get it? Enlightenment, because it's light and then.
Bad jokes, huh? What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today we are working on my 1992 S10 pickup truck. As y'all may or may not know, my dad and Eric were in the middle of pulling the transmission and engine out of the truck, but we ran into some things with moving, and now I got a big shop in here. So we are just gonna get right back on this truck. Had to be put on hold for a little bit, but now it's here and we're ready for it, so we're gonna start working on it. So the backstory on this truck is that a year and a half ago, I went to Norman, Oklahoma and saved up my money to buy this truck. It was $600 and I really wanted it, so my dad and my mom said, okay, we'll drive you up there. So we went up there and bought it, and I saw Rocky Mountain Race Week. I watch it every year, and I saw that they made a Young Guns class. And after we bought this, I was like, I really want to compete in that. So we started working on it, and we got a 5.3 for it. I saved up my money for that as well. And Dave has it right now, working on some things with it, freshening it up for us. Thanks to him, by the way. We got a new transmission from our friend Jacoby with the built Turbo 350, Ultra Bell trans brake, and an 8TI converter. We also got to build this engine hoist that is not built because of me. We got to build this to pull the tranny and the motor out. But first we got to get the front clip off, so we're going to do that. And my main goal is just to make this my first truck, and just street drive it when I can start driving, and then race, because I watch my dad and his friends, and I watch YouTubers like Street Racing Channel and Jimmy Dale and Old Man and stuff race, and I really want to race them one day and have fun like that, because they seem like they have fun. So I really want to do that, and that's what I'm looking forward to. So me and my dad are just going to do that tonight, and welcome back to Hot Rodding with Jake. I think I'm going the wrong way.
Yeah, you're tightening it. Righty tighty, lefty loosey, boy. So what Jake's working on here is he has to get these turn signals out so that we can get the front bumper off so that we can pull that grill out. It's a bit of a process.
Change this, I forgot. Things come up last night, so we're back on it this morning. Let's get going.
Remember, just hold that. Don't let it rock back on you. All right, now see if you can stop it by hand. There you go. Look at that. It was awkward and he didn't like it, but he did it, folks.
Now, all we have to do is all of it. For those of you who are wondering what it takes to get a 1992 S10 bumper off, it takes a 15mm, a 10mm, a 3/8 drive, and a 1/2" drive. And this is what it looks like. They really didn't want that bumper falling off. Now I need to get this grill off so we can get to the core support. You'll need a T15 Torx bit with a 1/4" ratchet, and you may need an extension. We decided to use a screwdriver instead of a ratchet because it's a little more stable.
There you go.
So now you're going to take your headlight harness out like I just did, and you should have 4 bolt head screws. I only have 3, which I don't know why, but then that'll allow you to take your headlight out. It's still there we go. I got
Push in.
it. Yeah, push in.
Okay, look. I'm gonna let you do this one up here. Push in and twist. Push in and twist. Get it set and push in and twist. Twist. Push in.
Okay.
Twist.
Wait.
You got it? There you go. It's good. Now you should be able to.
Get them off.
Yeah.
There we go. Right there.
All right. Now you want to hold it.
Yep. So theoretically, if you hold it like this, it should fall right into your hands. Unless you're doing something wrong. That is.
Yeah. Yeah. Theoretically.
Or,
Ask me about the last time I did it.
oh yeah, that's fun.
That's why all the bolts in the honcho are screwed up and the headlights face to the hard right and up into the sky.
Mikey Honcho did not have a good day that day.
No.
Ooh.
Boom. Now take your headlight, stick it right there with your other lights. So I'm gonna teach you something about these headlight buckets. So you notice you have screws here, right? All right. You got one here and one here. Looks like there should have been one there.
Yeah, there should have been.
No?
Nope.
That's all you have is the two. So what these are adjusters. So when you bolt the headlight bucket in here, you gotta put the car, back it out and put it against the garage door, and then turn your headlights on, because your headlight has a beam that comes out, and as it comes out, it spreads, right? So you use this to aim your headlights, because you want to be able to see in front of you and out, not down at the ground, not up at the sky. And that's why Honcho at night we can't see real good, because the headlights are pointed up, because all the little pieces that these bolt into are broken, and I can't get them. So yeah, little
Learning curve.
Enlightenment.
Yeah.
Okay, get it? Enlightenment, because it's light and then
Bad jokes, huh? Well, we got the battery tray out, we got the headlight harness out, and we got the
charcoal canister.
charcoal canister.
Yep. We got that out of here. We don't need that anymore.
Yeah, no. So
Now
we're doing the
that's an AC condenser.
yeah, an AC condenser. I knew that, guys. I was testing him.
We need to get that out.
And for that, you'll to take that out, you'll need a number 7 socket with a 3/8 ratchet, and you'll need a number 10 socket right here.
Boom.
So, yep.
I think it's number 10. Let me see it real quick. So yeah, you got to take these side baffles off, and then you got to take the. There you go. That's number 10, isn't it?
Yep. It is.
All right, cool. But before we do that, let's look at this line over here. I think there's one AC line that's still hooked up. Yep, we got to get this AC line off first. We're going to do that, and then we'll be right
There.
back.
Well, guys, we got a lot of work done today. Not as much as I wanted to, but hey, I'm not complaining. We got a lot done, and I'm a little slower than my dad, obviously. I'm still learning, and he's just helping me and guiding me into learning how to do car stuff, and hopefully one day getting really good at it, So it's a learning curve, obviously, so I had fun today. We did a good job of tearing it down. Again, not as much as I wanted to, but I'm really stoked about how this is all going down, and I can't wait for it to be done. If you like what I do, hit the like button, please, and share with a friend, because we need more kids like me and more people like him to work on cool stuff like this. And make sure to hit the subscribe button, because you don't want to miss what we're doing here at Hot Rodding Jake. See you next time.